Dear friends, hi, this is Nick Polyushkin. Today we are in Hollywood. Behind me is a Hard Rock Casino and Guitar, the iconic building which was recently built. But we are here not because of it. We're not gonna go there today. We're gonna go and see our investment property, which is on the same street, on the same zoning, and that's why I want to show you the potential, what you can build, what you can do with real estate projects. To get to this Guitar hotel development, it's a long way, but at some point we'll get there. So watch until the end, subscribe to my channel, and let's go see this investment case. So I want to tell a little bit about location, where we're heading, and why it influenced our decision to make investment to buy this property, specifically in this location. It's in Hollywood. It's in West Hollywood, right off SR7, or the street called also US 441, and it's on the corner of SR7 and Washington Street. In the past, we already had a project on the same corner, but with US 1. So it was Washington Street and US 1. And we did joint venture and built affordable housing over there. Link to the video will be in the description. We did tell about this project. It's called Hudson Village in Hollywood, where Matthew Rigger also talks about their project and how it was delivered, how it was done. We work a lot with affordable housing developers. We like this cause. We like the idea that city and government and local municipalities, they bring this program and build affordable housing for local residents. So we almost arriving to the property. So we arrived to the property. Let's go walk around it and see what it looks like. So we are in the corner of SR7 and Washington Street. This is super busy street. City revamped all this location. They put new pavement, new communications. Why? Because they want to bring developers here to the area, and that's what's happening. Our developers, they're buying the back parcel together with the bank to build 11-story building with 100 units, and it's all going to be affordable housing. So we're doing good cause, plus for us it's going to be a great exit, and we're helping along the way with the process of permitting and allowance for the developer. And for Wells Fargo, it's target location because across the street we have Bank of America here, and they will not close the location. Many other banks, they're closing the branches because during pandemic, everybody learned how to deposit checks online, etc. But this branch is always busy. So location, location, location. That was one of the reasons why we bought this building. Reason number 2, it already had the revenue in place. And the reason number 3 is the zoning. You can build 17-story high building here and build apartments, retail, hotel, so many uses. So when you see property like this, buy it. So about this property, this is a great investment case. 2 acres of land, 2-story building, 10,000 square feet, 2 tenants, and one of the tenants is the bank, another tenant is financial institution. And the profitability on this particular property is very good. One of our main tenants here is Wells Fargo Bank. They have a variety of locations here, and this is one of the primary location for them because across the street there is Bank of America, so it's direct competition here, and they located on all first floor, and they have about 5,000 square feet of rental space. Dear friends, hope you like this episode and you learned something about investments into commercial real estate. Let me know if you're interested and want to learn about investing in commercial real estate. The links to our Vera Fund company are below. And as always, I'm here for you to help you and advise you in the best way I can with your residential and commercial real estate investments. This was Nick Polyushkin. Subscribe to my channel, give us likes, and see you next time.